stop that car. Yeah.
Damn, that thing's making some power. Run it back.
So I got one. Failing to stop. We are going to be eastbound Ford, David Mary Lincoln, 8577, gray color. We just speed approaching over.
Approach Wyoming.
How rate of speed? We're going to be terminating. East through Wyoming. 100 plus miles.
Through Wyoming, 100 plus miles an hour. Terminate 2344.
Jack 6 type of vehicle.
Yeah, it's going to be a gray, brand new Ford Mustang. David and Mary Lincoln, 8577.
All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, this is a video highlighting the Mustang, and I'll tell you, with the right driver, regardless of the trim level, they are going to really make short work of law enforcement. That video that I showed you guys in the intro clearly modified it. It was struggling like hell to get some traction, and once it did, it was completely gone. I don't even think the law enforcement even tried to accelerate, because after that, they knew it was like, this is over. It kind of reminded me of the Mustang GT 500 video that I showed you guys a while back.
Try to get up on it. Hoonigan?
Hoonigan, yeah, that's him. That's his plate. So I have a stop on the way. Personalized plate at Hoonigan. Henry, Ocean, Laurel, George, Adam, Nora. B getting eastbound 94
Okay. 411 traffic. Northbound at 6.
Oh, he's just fucking with us now.
Northbound at 6. 8
And also likes to do the whole step, you know. Any dark out. 710, he took off on us. He turned off his lights or not or something.
I mean, these guys make such short work of law enforcement. A little bit of modification goes a long way with those cars. And usually with the right driver, they are gone within a minute or two. Now, I don't want to talk your ear off too much, because I want to show you guys another chase of a Mustang GT.
Okay, 15, little up, 1024. 815, go ahead.
30, Chico, Texas, Robert Paul Frank, 3373. RPF 3373. It's on a red Mustang.
Ten-4. X-ray 72. Everybody units, that's 1063 for 15 get pursued. 30 eastbound 131.
Speeds are 130 for eastbound passing Garden Springs.
Oscar ready.
Steve Litter outside side, you with me.
They're going at 832, looking out the door at headquarters.
Scott Hamilton.
You guys taking Trent Hamilton?
And or just took Scott Hamilton. Give you an update just to ride on Scott Hamilton. Going back towards Geyer Springs. You can go down Geyer Springs.
That's a little rough, you know. We're fucking service them now.
Probably 100 right now. Scott Hamilton coming up to baseline. Straight through the red light stand on Scott Hamilton.
The last Mustang GT that I just showed you guys, the driver was a complete knucklehead. I mean, he was running with legitimate plates, legitimate registration, and it really was only a matter of time before he ended up getting caught. I wanted to show you guys him actually running, and he successfully, you know, he got away. But the problem is when you have legit plates and registration and everything like that, it's really just a matter of time before they catch up to you and figure out where you are. But either way, guys, I figured you guys would find these Mustang clips very entertaining. If you know of any really good chases, definitely let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram, RTLife_397. I'm always on the hunt for a really good chase.